One other thing I'm going to try and do with the mirror, or on the Boxster, one other thing I'm going to try and do on the Boxster is this mirror doesn't work, the power mirror doesn't work. I want to take this off and see if I can see what's going on inside. So I'm going to simply reach in there and pop that off. Try to. All right. That came off. This ring came off. Everything came off. Jeez, oh man. All right, it makes noise in all four directions, but I can't tell for the life of me what it's not working. All right, I think I kind of know what's going on. This part came off when the mirror came off, and it clips onto here, and there's a nodule. There's a plastic nodule here that looks like it's supposed to be inside there, and this one doesn't have a nodule. It broke off, but it was supposed to be inside there. And then this paddle here looks like it's been hot glued or broken or something like that, and there's a little bit of debris in there. So I don't know if that's supposed to be attached there or not. I probably could take off next these 3 screws and take the motor apart and see what it is going on and see if I can reattach some of this stuff. But basically, for you guys' benefit, this nodule here is going to be up and down. Up, and the nodule comes out, which pushes the whole mirror up. And then this nodule goes back inside for down. And then this one tucks in to go left and pushes out to go that direction. But the nodule is missing off of this. So I basically need a new one of these assemblies right there. And then these are for the heated mirror. And I marked them with paint so I know which one's which, but I'll disconnect those in a moment. In fact, I don't even think I had to disconnect them. I think they can just hang there for right now. So I think what I need is this assembly right there, a new one of those.
What's on the other side of there? Oh.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
Good work.
Still
Still can't get it out, but you're closer.
Still can't get it out, but I'm closer. What is this? Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah. All right. I don't need you. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay.
Just moral support.
Yep. I figured it out. All right. So you can see this thing is messed up. And this is a part, I'll order a new one of these or try to. And that should fix this. But you can see there's a ball there. There's no ball there. It's all missing. All right, I wanted to compare the old one with the new one and show you guys what was damaged on the old one. The old one's on the left, the new one is on the right. And you can see these pins are not engaged into the outer ring like they are there. Those white pins are engaged. And then this one, the old one, actually comes apart because those pins aren't engaged. I've got the back off of it. This rubber seal flops off, and then this actually pops off too. And you can see somebody tried to glue it, and it broke. There's some more glue there. This one's missing its pin, And the mechanisms still work. It's just all this stuff inside is shot. This is cracked. So you can see somebody hit the mirror or broke it or somehow. So this thing is done for. But this is basically garbage. And we've got a nice new part. It's got the numbers on there. 3 screw holes. The rubber seal and everything is put together. And actually the motor number matches on both, so I definitely know this part should work. When I took this apart, there's just 3 connections. One goes to the mirror, and then these 2 are the defroster. So I'm going to hook this back up, and to make sure I hook it up the right way, this should have some numbers on it that correspond with the 2 and the 3 outboard on this. I just need to get my flashlight out and take a look and see. Okay, I did a little research, and there's 3 wires, white, red, black. I thought there would be numbers on this to tell you how to slide it back into the housing because there's numbers on the housing. But what I ended up having to do was go back and look at the video and see that white goes towards this end. So white is number 2, red is number 1, and black is number 3. And then I also tested it, fitting it on the old one, and it slides in just fine that way. But it won't slide if you flip it upside down. It will not go into, I hope you guys can see it, it will not go into there. So it's definitely white towards that end. So I'm going to connect this. The 2 holes go towards white. And then snap that in, and it clicks on the left and the right, and it's very difficult to unclick that. When I took the old one off, I actually took this cover off, and I don't want to try and force this cover off because I'm not sure it goes on and off. So now that that's in there, I'm just going to power it up real quick and make sure that everything moves before I screw it back into place. All right, we've got motion in all 4 directions, or at least motor sounding noises, and that's good enough for me. We've got 2 holes and a 3rd one there, and that's how it's going to go back in. All right, now that we've got that in there, we can connect these defroster wires. And when I took them off, I marked the green one with the green one. So we are back in action again. All right, the mirror clicks back in. Now we have a functioning power mirror on the left again. Hot dog. Okay. 2 functioning mirrors. Okay, so there you have it. We fixed the rear view mirror on the Boxster. Didn't have to take apart any wiring. It was just simple motor replacement. We ordered one on eBay, plopped it in there, hooked up the wires the correct way, and we are back in action. So a quick, easy fix for the Boxster. These are great cars. I absolutely love mine. Highly recommend them if you are looking for a sports car, especially a convertible sports car. So thank you for joining me on the video. Hit like, hit subscribe. That really helps me out. I enjoy making these videos for you. I hope you guys find them informative and entertaining. Thank you.